did you experience? And you can hold that up if you need to.
I would be the baby subtracting.
Okay.
Because there's a number and you have to see how much one cookie costs.
Okay.
And then two numbers divided by two and subtract.
Okay, so do you know what you drew? Do you know what that's called? Okay, I'm gonna keep going and I'm gonna come back to it. If the word comes up, I'll let you know.
Coordinate grid?
So I'll come back, okay, to that. Don't let me forget though. I'm gonna come back. Okay, so
Isn't that a coordinate grid?
we'll talk about that.
Same
So-
thing, but
Tell me some more. Keep talking. Go ahead.
the same thing, just I think there's times here. There's a mystery on here to solve, and there's one.
Okay, so did you draw yours similar to Chloe's as well?
Yeah.
Which is actually similar to both of
It was the
yours?
same one.
Okay, and then Zeke, tell me about what you've been experiencing.
I've done a couple things because the first day I was trying to find the value of one cookie, then this guy ate a cookie, and then the next lesson I did was about a car that day, and you just find how many miles that car can go.
Okay.
And then the next day I was experiencing, I was trying to find how many groups. But there was a hammer, and I was like, there'd be 10%, and then like 1, and then a number on the bottom, and it'd say something like, find 4 groups of, like, it'd say find 4 groups of 150, and then I'd click whatever was closest to 4 groups. Then the hammer would break it into 4 groups, and I'd have to figure out what was 4 groups. 4 groups of what would make 150.
Wow. All of you had some pretty amazing learning going on, and it was all very similar, although it may look different. So I heard things like nickels and dimes. I heard the recipe of sugar flour. You talked about cars and dividing things also into 4s, which is groupings.
Well,
And
just any group.
what was your situation about? Because you were talking about how it was similar to Chloe's. Was yours also like nickels and dimes, or what was yours? Do you remember what yours was? Okay, cookies or recipes. Okay, excellent. And so here's what you guys were talking about. Here's what I heard. I heard division. I heard that come up quite a bit. I also heard multiplication. I also saw many of you draw something called a table.
What's table ball?
Table box. So what you drew right here is a form of a table. It just lays out all of our information really nice and organized. Okay?
It writes it for me.
And did you have to type in some of the numbers as we went along? Okay, so we're gonna take a look at a different form of that kind of table today. We're also, while we're looking at that form of a table, that will lead us into this idea of what is a unit rate. Now, Zeke, you already talked a little bit about it when you were talking about dividing things into 4s, and then you had to figure out how many were in those groups of 4s.
Yeah, that's like basically a unit rate.
Was it the same number every time when you divided into 4?
No.
Okay, so let's
It
talk about
was
that
like-
some more.
I got like 100 in the 4th, that was easy. The first lesson I did was very easy. Second one, it was a lot of 150s. There were 3, 4,
Yeah.
10, 20.
They're not always really
It was-
nice, right?
Yeah, it was
Okay.
a lot, but I liked it.
Okay, good. Good. So I want to dive more into this idea
lessons like that.
of tables and unit rates. Okay? Do you guys like marshmallows?
Yes!
All right. So I like to hear.
I love marshmallows.
Okay. So
No, I'm maybe these parts.
so today we may not have time to dive into actually getting to taste the marshmallow, but we are going to do an activity with them tomorrow. We'll be that next year. So, either way, what we're going to do is take a look. What we're going to do is take a look at the nutritional value first on this package. Okay, so find the label. Ready? Ready, partner? Take that in your hands. You don't dribble around water. There you go.
let's see.
Wait, what?
So yeah, find the nutritional label.
It has one
Not
percent
yet, you're just gonna look
protein,
at it.
and it says about 9 servings per container. Serving size, 4 pieces. 4 pieces contains 30 grams.
That's a lot.
30 grams.
And amount per serving size, it's 100 calories per 4
Four
marshmallows.
pieces.
So have you talked to your
29
board about
grams.
doing
Servings per container.
Yeah, okay.
I read it once.
No, I'm sorry, please.
Serving size.
9 fat, 4 carbohydrates, 4 protein. It has 9 fat.
So talk to me about calories. So before you say anything. Yeah. Yeah, so what do you have for calories on yours? Okay, for how many pieces though? Okay, so
Serving size. And a
take
serving size
take
is-
a look at the calories for me. How many calories are jumping out at you? It's gonna be a big number.
It's 100.
Yeah,
But
And
is it 100?
Right here on the top it says serving size, 4 pieces, and right next to it it says 30 grams.
So
But we
my
don't know what
question-
the 30 grams of.
My question though
It's 29.
is,
It's gonna be this.
if there are 100 or if there are 100 calories per 4 of these marshmallows, yumminess marshmallows, how many is just one? Like, what if I don't want to eat
25.
4? How did you get that?
Because it's it's
divided
what
by
I was.
quarter.
You guys are totally thinking the same thing. That's
It was
amazing.
what
You
I
guys-
was
it's amazing.
doing in dream.
Okay, you finish and I want to hear about your money. Okay,
It-
finish.
It was like what I was doing. I thought of how many at first, then I divided that. Well, I used division to divide that into equal 4 groups, and then it just comes up with 25 for groups.